Can you get evicted for not having renter's insurance? If your lease or contract requires it and you are not in compliance, yes. If it causes damage to another's property or income or habitability, and the landlord gets sued and your contract calls for indemnification and hold harmless, expect that even without insurance you will be held accountable and could face both eviction and subrogation from the landlord's insurance carrier. They will pay the bill and then come after you personally. If the amount is substantial, expect a judgment that goes on your credit and that other landlords will perfunctorily decline your application to rent their property, and they will be able to find the judgment on public records. You can get evicted for not complying with any legal item in a lease, and requiring renter's insurance is legal. Renter's insurance protects both the landlord and the tenant for more than just the tenant's possessions. If I had a spare car that I was going to let you use, I would require you to carry insurance on the car. Why would it be different for a house? Further, a smart landlord will require that you list them as an interested party on the policy so they will get a notification if you cancel it. In some cases, yes. If it is a condition of your lease, then you can be evicted. Usually the property manager or landlord will threaten you with fines outlined in the lease agreement, or they'll let you know when to secure proof of insurance in order to avoid eviction proceedings. You'll need to read your lease agreement and figure it out. You may need to consult an attorney. Renter's insurance is fairly cheap, so it's a good idea to have it anyway. It depends on the terms of your lease. Your renter's insurance won't cover any of the structure. That's the landlord's responsibility. And his commercial property casualty policy won't cover any of your personal property or liability. However, unless your lease demands you carry renter's insurance, you probably can't be evicted for not having any. Unless there is a clause in your lease requiring you to have renter's insurance, you are not required to have insurance. The landlord has insurance to cover loss of the structure, renter's insurance is to cover your personal loss. It includes furniture, clothing and your personal items. Renter's insurance is not normally very expensive. If your lease has a legal requirement to maintain renter's insurance, and you don't have it, you are materially violating a provision of your lease, which could be a justification for an eviction.